On August 1st, BYD's 2025 Seagull was officially launched, and its price is between 69,800 yuan and 85,800 yuan. In terms of design, the 2025 Seagull tail logo has been replaced with a BYD Air logo that reflects the front face logo. The visual effect is simple and integrated, and is more in line with the aesthetics of the new generation of users. The 16-inch wheels of the Free Edition and Flying Edition have been upgraded to ice crystal smart wheels. The light and dynamic shape highlights the fashionable taste. The interior ceilings of all 2025 Seagull models have been upgraded with more textured and more durable easy-care fabrics. At the same time, the new Dune Pink interior has been upgraded to a solid color design, adding a romantic atmosphere and being more visually harmonious. In terms of configuration, all 2025 Seagull models have new Type A+C charging ports on the front row. The Type C charging port is 60W, can replenish energy faster, reduce anxiety, and meet the charging needs of different models of mobile phones. At the same time, smart power on and off functions have been added to the entire series to make the car more comfortable to use. In addition, the Free Edition and Flying Edition are equipped with heated front seats and 6-way electric adjustment of the driver's seat. It also has optimized designs for headlights, speakers, and air conditioners, making the driving experience more comfortable and safe. BYD Seagull is produced based on E-Platform 3.0 technology and provides safety for users from a higher starting point with its high-security blade battery and safe body structure special for pure electric vehicles. It has a wheelbase of 2,500 mm. It provides 66.1% vehicle flexibility, while at the same time providing a spacious and comfortable space comparable to an A-Class car. D-Link Intelligent Network Connection System supports voice interaction and cloud services and comes as standard. Providing the best results when navigating, watching videos or playing games, the 10.1-inch adaptive swivel suspension pad provides users with a smart experience that previous mobility scooters have not had. In terms of power, it is based on E-Platform 3.0 technology. The entire series is equipped with a front-mounted single-motor system with a maximum power of 55 kilowatts and a peak torque of 135 Nm. The time acceleration to 50 km per hour is 4.9 seconds and the top speed is 130 km per hour. In terms of battery life, the new car offers lithium iron phosphate finned battery packs with a capacity of 30.08 kWh and 38.88 kWh. The CLTC Pure Electric Battery Life corresponds to 305 km and 405 km. It supports a maximum charging power of 40 kilowatts and only takes 30 minutes to charge from 30% to 80%.